Hello everybody, so today I will talk about physics. The topic today is about find the total resistance. So now I will show you how to answer. First, I will concentrate about this one. So we see that we have two resistors, they are parallel in here. So for the red color, we will have about 1 over R equals to 1 over R number 1 plus 1 over R number 2. So R number 1 I will choose about number 6. R number 2 we have number 12. We calculate about this number and we have 1 over 4. So about the red one, that should be about 4 ohms. So about this one, I will draw like this. So I will put about number 4 in here. Now let's go to the next one. I will put about the orange. We see that 8 and number 4, this is about the series. So we can calculate about the orange in here. That should be about 8 plus 4. And we got about 12 ohms. So in this situation, I will change again. So this one right now, we can put into number 12. Now, if we look carefully in this one, about in the red color in here, we can see number 24 is parallel with number 12. So we can calculate about the red one. 1 over R equals to 1 over 24 plus 1 over number 12. We sum two numbers together. We got about 1 over 8. So the red one should be equals to 8 ohms. So now we change again. So this one we can write like this. And this one I will put about 8. Now let's go to this location in here. We see that two resistors, they are parallel. So we can use the same formula. 1 over R equals to 1 over number 12 plus 1 over number 4. We sum two numbers together and we got 1 over 3. So the blue one should be equal to 3 ohms. And now we need to change again. Now this one we have number 3. Now we go to the next one. This one, they are in the series, so we can write 1 plus 8, you got about 9 in here. And about this one, they are in the series too. 6 plus 3, you got about 9. And now we can find about R total in here. This one we have 9 and we have number 9. So we have 1 over 9 plus 1 over 9. So we sum two numbers together and we got about 2 over 9. And now we can find about R total. That should be about 9 over 2 ohms. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.